Poor little blue jay. Queenie didn't kill a blue jay. Just checking it out, family. Just want y'all to show that. Queenie, you didn't kill your bird, a blue jay. Yeah, she caught it a little while ago. Poor bird. Just making a little short video on this family. They have no mercy for a bird or a rat. They eat fresh too. So y'all can see it. As Queenie first killed. Yeah, it was alive and she took it away. I just found it. When she caught it, she was trying to bring it in the house. Oh no. Yeah, this is a little short video on Queenie making her kill. Peace and blessings, family. And I'm out.